Hey everybody, it's Thursday, June 3rd. So you know what that means. It's time for another episode of the Mortgage Minute. I am Mark Lima with the Lima Real Estate Group, and I'm here with Justin over at EPiQ Lending. And without further ado, I'm going to hand it over to Justin so he can give us some more information on what's going on with the mortgage world this week.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Mark. And as he mentioned, Justin here, EPiQ Lending, always looking to bring our community and clients out there great useful information. Hope everyone's having a wonderful week. Interest rates, that's always the hot topic. So interest rates are trending neutral this week. That means they're not going up or down, just kind of maintaining. And then market volatility, which shows us what rates should be doing in the near future, is also neutral. So in simple terms, rates are staying the same, maintaining, which is a great thing. Examples of interest rates, so your government loans, FHA or VA loans, are going to be in the high twos for a 30-year fixed rate. Your conventional loans are going to be in the low threes for a 30-year fixed rate. And then jumbo loans are going to be about 3.3 to 3.5%, again, based on good credit scores. So rates are still great, so let's take advantage of that. So just want to make sure we're always giving you current information on what our market is doing.
Awesome. Thank you, Justin. And as usual, as you may have noticed in our previous episodes, we not only like to give you a little insight into what the mortgage rates are doing, but we also like to leave you with some sort of valuable tidbit or piece of knowledge that you can use in either refinancing, purchasing, any of that good stuff. So without further ado, I'm going to hand it back to Justin, where he's going to discuss single premium mortgage insurance.
Yeah, thank you, Mark. So, like Mark said, is we always want to bring you a tip, something that's really going to be of use to you. So one of the common topics right now is appraised values or values coming in low. So if you are actively looking to buy a house, you're making offers out there, then I'm sure you've had this happen to you where you've been asked by the seller to waive or remove your appraisal contingency. Sometimes that can put you at a little bit of a risk. So a lot of buyers out there have walked away from opportunities or homes because they do not want to waive their appraisal contingency because maybe they're not confident the appraised value is going to come in at the purchase price. So the great news is we have a great solution for that. So this is something that's been around for quite a while, but it's a great use in today's market. It's called single premium mortgage insurance, as Mark mentioned. What that means in simple terms is I'm buying a house at $700,000. I'm putting 20% down payment, which of course means I'm avoiding PMI or monthly mortgage insurance. Let's say that the value comes in $35,000 below sales price. Now I'm not putting 20% down, which means I'm going to add mortgage insurance to my mortgage payment, which is about $300 on average added to my mortgage payment. Way to avoid that is single premium mortgage insurance. What that means is you're going to pay a one-time lump sum to buy the mortgage insurance outright. That way you never have a monthly mortgage insurance payment. The cost of single premium mortgage insurance is roughly $6,000 to $8,000. So option one is value comes in $35,000 low. I pay $35,000 additional towards my down payment to avoid mortgage insurance. Or option two, which is a much better solution, is I pay $6,000 to $8,000 to buy out my mortgage insurance. My mortgage payment doesn't change. My down payment doesn't change. I'm closing escrow. It's a great fix for the issues we're having in the market right now with appraisals.
Awesome. I definitely have encountered that quite a bit in today's competitive market when working with buyers, and I definitely think that's a valuable tool that not many people knew about. And not saying it's a one-size-fit-all solution, but it definitely could help, a lot more people than it probably couldn't. So thanks again for that information. And as we always say, it's kind of hard to get too deep on the subject matter when we're trying to keep it to a very limited time frame. So by all means, if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to reach out to Justin or myself, and we can kind of take more of a deep dive into it and answer all the questions you may have. So you walk away feeling like you know everything top to bottom and have your arms around the situation. So again, Mark Lima with Lima Real Estate Group, and wishing you guys a good week. And Justin?
Yeah, so thanks for tuning in, Justin EPiQ Lending, and we will see you guys next week. Take care.